exposing the poison in cough syrup. 11 young lives lost in Madhya Pradesh. The doctor who prescribed it, detained. Here's what you need to know. Authorities say the cough syrup, Coldrip, was contaminated with a toxic chemical, diethylene glycol, used in brake fluid, not medicine. Most victims were under 5, suffering acute kidney failure after taking the syrup. The doctor who prescribed it ignored official warnings. He's been suspended and is under investigation. The manufacturer's license is now revoked. If you have Coldrip at home, don't use it. Stay alert, stay safe.